Welcome to Vista Training, and thank you for purchasing one of our Jurnee products. A Jurnee instructor kit is designed to help you with all of your equipment operator training needs. In order to accomplish this, we offer multiple ways to use the kit to train your operators. One option allows you to reduce the amount of time in the classroom and use the time with your trainees more effectively. This is the alternate route. A big part of the success of the Jurnee instructor kits is the Vista course presentation access that is included in each kit. The Vista course presentation gives trainees an overview of information about their equipment and some basic techniques for inspection and operation. Seeing these items in a course before going on to complete the hands-on training has proven to be a very effective form of operator training. In the traditional training option, outlined in our instructor kits, you will watch the course with the students during the classroom portion of the training. Yet there are instances when you do not have the time or facilities to allow for this. If this is the case, the alternate route is the way to go. The alternate route, or optional course plan 1, is outlined in the appendix of your instructor training guide. What's different about this route is that the students watch the Vista course presentation before they come to class. Then when you're in the classroom, you will take some time to reconnect the students to key points in the course and reinforce important safety topics. After that, you take the final exam if not already completed and head out to complete the hands-on training exercises. This greatly reduces the amount of time in the classroom and overall training. If the alternate route is the best choice for you, you will need to set up each student in the LMS so they can take the Vista course presentation before class. Each Jurnee instructor kit includes 10 student accounts. You can purchase any additional student accounts if required. Don't worry, it's easy. To begin, determine if you will be the person setting up accounts and answering questions, or if there is another person who will become the administrator. Then contact Vista Training. They will set up your initial administrator account and provide simple instructions to get your students ready to do their self-study training. You or the administrator will then be able to set up all of your trainee self-study accounts. It is as simple as entering names and email addresses, as well as user IDs and passwords. That's pretty much it. Simple instructions are sent to the administrator once they contact Vista Training. Hopefully, this has given you an overview of how to set up your students to take the alternate route and get moving on their training journey right away. Thank you again for purchasing a Jurnee instructor kit. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to contact us at Vista Training Inc. As always, remember, training is not a destination, it's a journey.